exception handling in Java. So let's start the video. So in this video, we are going to see the various topics we will be discussing in this full lecture tutorial. So first one is introduction. In introduction, we will see what is exception, what is exception handling, and what is the need of exception handling in Java. Second is runtime stack mechanism. So for every thread creation, JVM will create a separate stack and corresponding entry of all the methods which is called by that thread will be stored in that stack. So all these details we are going to see in this tutorial. Third, default exception handling in Java. So what explicitly measure taken by the JVM when we will not give any exception handling code in our main code. Exception hierarchy. So what is the parent hierarchy to child hierarchy will be followed in exception. We are going to deal in fourth lecture. Fifth, customize exception handling by using try catch. So by using try block and catch block, how we can customize our exceptions, let's see in this tutorial. Sixth, control flow in try catch. So what flow will be maintained in try block and catch block we will going to deal in this lecture. Methods to print exception information. So how we can print exception information on the console we are going to see in this 7th lecture, and what are the corresponding methods we are going to see in this tutorial. 8. Try with multiple catch block. So what are the various possible catch blocks can be possible with try block we are going to deal in 8th lecture. 9th, finally block. So what is the meaning of finally block and what is the use of finally block we are going to see in this lecture. 10th, difference between final, finally and finalize. What is the use of these various keywords we are going to see in 10th lecture. 11th, various possible combinations of try catch finally. So what are the what can be the possible combinations like try catch, try finally, catch finally. So these are the possible combinations we are going to discuss in 11th lecture. 12. Control flow in try catch finally. So what flow will be maintained, then try, then catch, then finally, or catch, try, finally, or finally try catch. So what is the control flow we are going to deal in 12th lecture. Control flow in nested try catch finally. Nested means block inside another block, this is called nested block. So try block inside another try block, then finally try catch finally. Then these are the nested try catch finally we are going to see in lecture number 13. 14. Throw keyword. So what is the use of throw keyword and how we can use this throw keyword we are going to see in lecture number 14. 15. Throws keyword. So what is the use of throws keyword and how it can be differentiated from throw keyword we will going to see in 15th lecture. 16th, exception handling keyword summary. So what are the keywords we have learned till that finally, try, catch, then throw, throws. So these are the some keywords which we have learned till now while discussing our various topics. Let's move on. 17. Various possible compile time errors in exception handling. While compiling our codes, various possible compile time errors will be displayed on the console. So how we can make it executed we are going to discuss in 17th lecture. 18. Customized or user defined exceptions. So how we can customize the exception which is predefined, or how we can create our own exception which can be printed in a different form on the console we are going to deal in 18th lecture. 9. Top input output exception. So what are the main importance and which are the various which can be used in various times like input output exception we are going to deal in 19th lecture. 20. 1.7 version enhancements. So it has two parts, like first is try with resources and second is multi catch block. So try with resources means what are the resources associated with the try block we are going to deal in first, and second is multi catch block. So try multi catch block first, catch block second, then catch. What are the possible catch blocks can have a code we are going to deal in this lecture. So for any doubt and group discussions, join my Telegram. I will give the link in the description box. You can refer it out, and You can also follow me on Interesting Classes on Instagram and join the group Interesting Classes on Facebook. Thanks for watching this video. For more information, you can join my Telegram. Thank you.